Hi everyone, Summer here with the Wispy Realm, and I do a polymer clay trading coin swap periodically whenever they have it. They had it for the month of October, and it was Halloween themed, and I just got it in. And all I did was break the seal so that we can look and see what's inside. Now, trading coins are like 2.5-inch little circles, and you basically make like 3 of them in your style, and then you send them off to like a trade maven who's going to collect all of the trading coins in her group section, and then she switches them back out to people, so you shouldn't get your own coins back. It doesn't cost anything to participate, and I will leave a link down to the trading coin group in the description, and it's for polymer clay artists, so if you are a polymer clay artist you can participate on the next one. So this was packed really well. I got it. My Maven was Jagged Edge Designs. Jagged Edge Designs. And let's see. Ooh, look at this. She sent me some stuff. Looks like I got some candy. Nerds. I like nerds. And Laffy Taffy. Yeah. Candy's good. Noms. Noms candy. Okay, and let's see. Oh, look at that. So that's all they are. It's just these little flat coin looking things, and they're just collector pieces. And this one is from Sharon Ortiz, California. Super cute. And let's see what's next. This one, oh, look at that. Fantastic details. Ooh, and it's glittery in the background. I like it. And this is by Cassie. And the last one, ooh, look at these little details. I like that. These are like, they're dark flower. I don't know what kind of flower those are, but I've seen them. Maybe they're nightshades. Oh, that's super cool. And this one is from Lee. Awesome. These are fantastic. Kazi. This one is Kazi's right here. And she's the klutzy crafter. Look at these cute little things that she makes. Oh, I'm gonna have to look her up for sure. Let's see. Here's her information if you would like to look her up too. So that's what I got, and I'm going to go ahead and just add them to my collection. I've been doing these polymer clay trading coins for a couple of months now, and you can hear my cat in the background. It's fantastic. She's a menace. So I will just add this to my collection, and maybe in a later video I will go ahead and upload all of the coins that I have received. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day.